So how do you get ready for the new year if you're an apparel brand? In today's video, I'm going to share how to reset your clothing brand for 2024 with some actionable steps that you can get started on right now. In this video, I'll share suggestions that you don't have to do all 20 steps, but you can pick and choose what feels right, leave what doesn't feel right, and then get going on the new year. So let's jump in. I'm Trudi Roach, and I'm a fashion merchandiser and brand coach. I help you grow your clothing and accessories business with product positioning, content, and sales strategies so you never have to worry about where your next sale is coming from. Nurturing your audience is crucial as it fosters loyalty, connection, and trust. It ultimately will turn a passive audience into an audience that buys your products and is very loyal to your brand. So how do we want to boost nurturing? We can focus on connecting with your audience. So number one, reach out to past customers and wish them happy holidays or a happy new year. Number two, reach out to five like-minded businesses. Reach out to 5 like-minded businesses and see if there's an opportunity to collaborate. Number three, send a survey to your list and find out what they enjoyed hearing and buying from you in the last year and what you could do better in the future. Number four, reach out to past customers and clients and ask for testimonials. Okay, let's talk about how to streamline your operations, boost your productivity, and reduce stress. Let's talk about organization in your business. Tip number 5, make sure your branding is cohesive across all of your channels as well as your website. Number six, remove inactive subscribers from your email list. This will help to clean up your email and you'll get a realistic open rate. Number 7, review any subscriptions and cancel those you don't use or no longer need. Number 8, do a digital declutter. Declutter your desktop, your phone, all of the apps and subscriptions, anything that clutters up your day and detracts from you being organized and stress-free. Number 9, add some fresh testimonials to your website. Okay, if you're ready to identify some growth opportunities, minimize some risk, let's look at some ways you can plan for profit. If you're ready to optimize your resources, identify some opportunities for areas of growth and minimize your risk. Number 10, audit your product assortment. Look for styles that might be outdated, those that you need to mark down, and potentially also identify some bestsellers. Number 11, reevaluate your pricing. Number 11, reevaluate your pricing. Do your prices reflect your value proposition in your brand? Not sure about pricing? Watch this video and I'll leave a link in the description so you can look at all the pricing strategies that might be right for your business and make sure your pricing is aligned with your brand DNA. Number 13, update your email welcome sequence and your nurture sequence to make sure that you're setting yourself up to take your customer on a journey and ultimately a path to your product. Number 14, send a survey to past customers and ask what they liked and what you could potentially be doing better, how to better service them in 2024. So this could be in addition to products. They might have products they're interested in seeing from your brand, but also it might help you boost customer service, abandoned cart, any of those nuances that really help your overall business. You can also, as number 15, send an email to your customers, letting them know what they can expect from you in 2024. So this could be sort of what you have planned. It could be little teasers for new collections. You don't have to give specifics, but just let your audience know that you're there, you're working on something new to bring to them in the new year. Okay, now it's time to think about how to get clarity and some clear direction for the year ahead. If you want to minimize uncertainty, get clear on your goals. And help your decision-making process, let's talk about planning in your business. A well thought out plan enhances productivity as well as your chances of success. So, number 16. Conduct a year-end review in your business. This can be something that you do internally. You don't have to show it to anybody else, but cover the major foundations in your business, your sales, your products, the plans and goals that you had, and did you hit those goals and where you came in based on your benchmarks. Just do a review, and so that you have clarity on what you're looking at for the year ahead. And you might have parking lots, some goals and plans that you want to roll over into the new year. And right along with that, number 17, set your goals for 2024. So it's really a great idea to get any plans and goals you have out of your head onto the page, and so that you can build out some key actions that will get you to those goals. If you need help setting a plan and goals for your clothing brand for next year, the doors to my sales boosting plan will be open for just a few days in January. So if you want to get on the wait list, I'm going to leave a link here and in the description box. You can go ahead and pop your name on the list, and I'll send you an email when that will be open. I've had clients that have gone from no sales to selling out in just a few weeks when they start putting their plan together. So I'm super excited to share that with you. It's really a great way for creatives and clothing brands to create a plan that feels good, that looks good, it's visually pleasing, and with some actions and tactics to actually help you hit those goals. So breaking it all down in a 3-session training workshop, and you're going to see results with your sales in 2024. So I'll leave a link to that below, and you can get on the wait list. Number 18, put any promotional dates you can think of now onto your calendar for the new year. So this might be Valentine's, Easter, back to school, pre-holidays. I know we just came out of the holidays, but you can think ahead to next year already. In the fashion industry, we do this 18 months in advance, so it's never too early to plan any of those special promotional dates, so that you have lots of good time to think about how you're going to actually activate a promotion for your brand when the time is right. And number 19, along with those promotional dates, create a sales and marketing plan for your business. So this could just be raw numbers, or it could be down to some details. You could anniversary what you've done last year and then add a little bit, 5%, 10% growth. You pick the number, or just know that you want to hit certain numbers this year as opposed to last year. So creating a great marketing plan. And finally, number 20 is to sit back, relax, and give yourself a pat on the back and realize all the work that you've done and how far you've come in 2023. So if you've done a yearly review, you'll probably have identified lots of things that you thought that if you've done a review for the year, you've probably come up with lots of achievements that you might have forgotten as the year went by. So it's a good idea it's a great idea to remind yourself of how far you've come and everything that you've achieved. Okay, that's how to reset your clothing brand and online business for 2024. The actionable steps. The actionable steps you can take right now and over the holidays and into early January to help you have a really strong new year in your business. Okay, if you want to grab all 20 steps, I'm going to leave a link to the blog post where you can go ahead and grab those, take a screenshot, and get started on making a few tweaks in your business as we relax over the holiday. Let me know if you have any comments, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.